na emfumsuo kase
ya eye nanado aban eye ne say eye woni a ewo debre ministers CEOs sampu no obi bibia yensesa no reshuffle no eno no ekoso bo party ni
wonim me no na me wo mentality bi say eye nipa na nipa boni ni but enye reshuffle na ebe ye nipa ni boni ni wonim mami ka chawo say
chirase
ye ba ye as a national officers no Akuffo wa appointee say be ye CEO for Get Fund ana Cocoa Board ana MPA enya Akuffo na be sa frɛ wo ka kyerɛ wo say ye wema party for as appointee of the government wonim say nkrofo na ya agima ema party no nye power no you should know how to take care of party people so be the me say enye the reshuffle no mbe ya no na me nim say appointees no na Akuffo appointee omo no many of them are enemies of the president himself. Many of them, yes, many of them.
Okay, so
many of them are Akuffo enemies.
Until one more Nanado Paul say, Omombe CEOs,
yes.
Any ministers, no,
yes.
Nasa Nkrofono, any Omutai Nanado.
Let me tell you, say,
What's your example?
And they will call Minerals Commission. The CEO of Minerals Commission, no, you are picking intel. Say Accra we your enemies. Bibia ye bia with the information ma NDC.
I don't think this for I'm maintaining.
Bibia ye di odi ya sema NDC. Even scout I say what the ma party no entimi win election no o pajas can no the ma NDC for. Na ye ba be catch Akuffo be Akuffo so ebi because of the loyalty wo man no. Na trust Akuffo trusting no na Akuffo himself maybe anya na kore na Akuffo jano be yetu aba wieye Akuffo nkasa hu ne enemies yetu aba wieye Akuffo nkasa hu ne enemies na wodi tumi ma omo no winchi Akuffo no Akuffo has come to see them. So is this wicked people, this wicked appointees, they made Akuffo look like Akuffo was not governing well, or Akuffo was appointing wrong people. No. What Akuffo did, because over in the sectors, Akuffo appointee ministers, every sector MPP was doing well. Every sector MPP were doing well. Wow. But almost subai towards the party, they have betrayed Akuffo, betrayed the party that made them who they are.
And you believe, say, Ora Martin Kweku, AEC?
Yes.
Or betray,
or betray. Because it won't happen in any world.
Say, but sir, Abano Sufi say, we should do my over the years, no one bar, no maintaining no one. Say, no interest, or your NDC new. No.
Politics, you and I know how Guardian politics is. So, Adentina, we almost about 7 December, no. Now, your mama can say, oh, Akuffo in the history of Ghana, no, why never be even though Matu Abama may be Akuffo be continue, Anna, but we continue, Namintina fear. No, it is Ajima or Yema NDC.
Auntie, you bet me I can say, Martin, Aya Kweku, AEC, Aya Jumama, NDC.
Absolutely.
Alaji Masaud.
Me, Namikacho, Yajima Kasie, NDC, Entina and the
NDC. Ewo opposition.
Or you ewo opposition. He was having link with them.
And NDC are maintaining.
You're maintaining. Oh yes, sir.
I just any modern bone.
And yani modern bone. Aya jima wo ye emma omo entina omo ye den omo maintain.
It is as we mu ya mu kan ya Akuffo was we anti.
Me say it is the trust to say me say.
GDA no.
To say about G.
Yes.
To hodom no. Minimum filthy.
Me yeah.
I know you when I was nobody. Not in there, Mister Minimum your credibility. Not in there, now your back power. No mu catch me say. Alaji, we are national television chama compare obiba na emfa Minister of Communication and Information man. Na mo say oh aboki the way me when the fall no we say na me di uba. Me minimum me trust too.
Sure.
E di uba no yeah. Not knowing that.
Munu be a different person.
And a different person. This is what the appointees betray Akuffo. But Akuffo nyame be bisa appointees no bako.
Akuffo.
I'm telling you, Akuffo, God will ask that wicked appointees no 1. Mina would their market to baby nsuo nto obehunu omu nyina omu ade Akuffo the trust omu omu institution for 8 years. That party for kasa Akuffo say no. Na nde want to me say no. Masa they will not end up well.
Na say nipa ba ko pe na wabo ne din.
Nipa bebre me pese as a national of me pese me bo din bebre. But me more example me Kromfo say me pese me clear
but musmo hu sa na mo ka kire president na president and take action na one leadership of the party na say mo tete
onim ya ba as a national officers no ya betomu na ya betomu na MPC demonstration of yampe Ken must go, Ken must yet say, Ken must say ya ba ya no ya betom but yeah as a national officer so na new bibia faso ya ba betom Amomu MPs no nyina aye wo ma dwuni se Akuffo enyi kenoforiata so sometimes kura omu frey meet kura yempesa yeko because as a national officers you know we were new elected and as a national officer you can't just be new elected and you are coming to fight the president. It is imagination.
It's unimaginable.
You see. So me no by that time no na suro ya hunka.
Na say mu suro. Na confidence in
yeah no by that time no you can't fight the president. So by that time no as omo teku new person.
Until the man penyin be kana.
Afe na woni president no benya contact.
Until the man penyin be kana na ma fa sa.
Afe na woni president no benya contact na ebi wo pe mo bi abebua wo Kromfo na akọ president ho. Na wa ba as a national officer now starting fighting the president. How dare you? Who are you? You see, so this is the way, the difficulties, the current national executive, masa, from the general secretary, from the national chairman and the vices, and the organizers, and then the youth organizers, women organizers, and then the national coordinators, we work hard.
But I say,
work hard. Nobody,
But muye juma dear, but I say. 2 mina ne kramo no
2 mina ne kura
na 2 minu ne na no form to send there national officers na nde na nyame bua na mutumi maintain na ya work na ya work na MPP aba power appointment bia na eti ho si wo bia ombe mano ye wo ho. How dare you a CEO obetuma ka say wo dia wa ba be ya agima magana wo ba be agima ma party me Atefa wo no office we your friend is saying Atefa office okra
Atefa office NIA one
NIA
ho masa owo office no Kromfo ebe pe agima omo ya na omo kono ka na omo be ka kire me call the office 2 days ansana me hu Atefa me kono ho o ka kire me say he don't want the institution
2
to be
days.
2 days.
Third national vice
chairman. I tell for who say me na me third vice. Me catch and say me introduce me who and son or say chairman. Let me say yes. Let me don't say one person will inflate institution with party boys.
The Atefa kachre.
That's see one person fuel institution with party boys. That it will be something. It will be something. This
English say wakofa MPP eshita for abegu.
So let me catch and say na kai say MPP youth no omu na ya agima tu aba party no ba ye usunya ye be Kromfo omu ya agima and the office be break catch and say omu ya NDC boys. Ose me dan hu say omo ya NDC na me say ben me nim say omo ya NDC kura be MPP4 na ti honom no wo mom na de omo ti honom omo so nya MPP4 omo ya wan
But Alaji never can send be man.
So
me dey akwa adwendwen mu.
So me. Sir, one friend national officer won him the movement of the party no current national officers no be tina ni fie. No we say officers we there omu nyina nya agima yampam hoin yampam ye woni magima ye we fight
but unim say mo ankasa mo chita for no ka say your friend is saying parliamentarians cry mobeto ye mo MPs 137 say o ma baba 80 saying is he 87 manya there and of course with the vote friend is saying margin loss over 1.7 million even Ashanti region some stronghold of yours when to when a part in the campaigning and to me anko form ho the saint no more failure and no be ya no saying
one say election there say election we call election now win election every win has the owner me na me contribute here me na contribute but every loss everybody is disassociating itself with loss so you lose you know obia ni ho obetim obegi say onu wa pini say you lose you know feeling ho the one beka say national officers ya na issue party no ya na panyefo ya ji atom say the ye bia ya the about 2 years ansana ya ko election no but the year from 2017 up to about 2024 no omo di soaye but yeso na eji ya no Ghana for nyina hun say as party no general secretary no awe the CEO of the party na aba abontin apa Ghana for nyina apa party for nyina acho kacho mo say the ACBA ye ya jato but dia na ye see no yenjin di say next time yanya opportunity we a bit massive biom because we hear the dynamic of your party no we hear the dynamic election 2024 your course no masa na sabotage no does too much sabotage no na does too much
sabotage na free
sabotage no na ya all angle because obehun say minister of state when you see was omutina say ya jima instead of omupie we a journalist ya ko election 2024 betima bo see was 2010 uhunu omu call mu constituency wo mu jina ho omu ye campaign seriously omu pie TV mra na obehun say yes see we say no ya
na che so omu nyina ada omu pe omu sika
omaja campaign nu emma the candidate awe ba omu Emma, the national officers of the party. No.
Oh, Samum.
Me see.
Anti-government appointees, no.
Government appointees, no.
Do not jai election, no.
Miss
Edima, the national executives, and then the candidates.
One say appointees, no. Binimu. Some of the appointees, no. And I make a tell say CEOs. Yeah, what CEOs say? Many CEOs. How many CEOs? Who know more about it? Womu jina to say the way. Nda ubehun JFK no waha ubehun Nanabi no waha ubehun Ket Jamfua no waha ubehun Aziz Futa no waha ubehun Alhaji Masaudu no waha ubehun Salam Mustafa no waha ubehun Bute no waha ubehun Talata no waha no see was saying even some see was crowd kokra pemwa kra on few
hey
I'm telling you on few.
Wow.
So in a mikacha say the dynamic of the arrogancy of some of the appointees contribute huge to the loss of the new patriotic party.
Oh, okay. And you know, you kind of said 1 year a buying a power woman. 1 year new musuba bi omudan the dichire Ghana for
no. Yes.
And the man MPP.
And the man MPP. One say, uko you look, uko you to mo. O pesa wonu you to kasa.
Yeah.
No mo see. Omukope fire service no omo say omuntua 10,000. Omukope we omo say omuntua 20,000. By that time so also ebi slot wo benya no national officer no 2 or 3 bi. Na omo how many people as a national officer me gina do whole Ghana to Abama me. Why na obema the slot? Why na obeja slot? Now some of slot kura omo mai kura wo di makura and manifesto it will not manifest they will not even call the person. Omo nye kra. Me see.
And tell them mamu grassroots no bu fu.
Grassroots no bu ofu.
Now omo sa ji omo
so me see. Akuffo Addo nyame me catch our Akuffo Addo nyame na party no nyame ebe bisa some of the appointees of the new patriotic of the Akuffo Addo Bawumia government.
Wow,
I'm telling you, the party no nyame na Akuffo Addo nyame na party for nyame no ebe bisa some of the appointees no.